how to boost your video views with just this trick. Yes, it is very easy. After posting your video days after and you're not getting the results, like after some days and your video is just stuck in 10 views, now there is this thing you're going to do for it to make that video to pull up. You understand? So now it is very simple, and a lot of big creators have been doing these things. I don't know if you've noticed it. I do notice some kind of things in all these big creators channel, and I will go and try it in my channel, and believe me, I used to see results. So this is what a lot of small YouTubers ignore, and we don't know that they are very, very, very important, and it helps a lot to boost your video views. And I tried this particular trick and it works, guys. All of a sudden this video moved from 50 something views to 200 and something views. So it works like magic. All you need to do is just for you to know the proper ways on how to do all these things, and you see how you're going to be seeing results. I mean, great results. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please like, subscribe, and share this video so to get a whole lot of people as I take you through my screen record how to boost your views in this new trick, guys. So guys, let's dive in. You want to boost your video views, all you need to do is just for you to go to your YouTube app, then you click on your channel, then click on videos, right? Bring it to this place. These are your videos. So all you need to do is just for you to click on these three dots. You see these three dots, you click on it. So you click on edit. You see this particular setting. I don't know if you've noticed it. This is what a lot of big creators are doing. You understand? And you can do it from your YouTube app, as in you can do it from your YouTube dashboard, you can do it from your YouTube app. Like in case you want to use your phone to do this particular setting, you can also use your phone to do this particular setting, which is what I'm showing you now, because I'm actually using my phone to do this setting. So now, if you are not getting views after days of posting videos, what will come to your head? You will think, okay, maybe I think my thumbnail is bad, or maybe your title is bad, or maybe you need to change the tags and all that, right? So you just need that something is wrong somewhere, and you just have to make those changes fast. And please don't make those changes hours after posting that video. Wait for a day after posting the video before you make these particular changes I want to show you. You understand? So all you need to do, first of all, you have to create another thumbnail. You understand? You have to create another thumbnail. So all you need to do is just for you to click on this thumbnail, right, where you see change. You see change. You can also put other thumbnail from this particular video in case you don't want to create a new thumbnail, whatever your niche is. So you have to choose from any of these thumbnail that is from your video, or if you want to change the thumbnail, you click on this change. You see change here, you click on it. So it will take you to this place where you want to change this particular thumbnail. So all you need to do is just for you to change this thumbnail now. Actually, wait for this tutorial before I'll change this thumbnail. So you click on select. See, that's change. You understand? Okay, now after changing your thumbnail, you now said, okay, maybe I have another title. You want to change a title also. All you need to do is just for you to come ahead to this place and click on this title and change your title, right? Okay, you want to change your description and also make some changes and put a new tags. You click on this description and it will bring you to this place, and you add your tags and everything you know you want to change. So you come to these tags. You see, YouTube is making everything easy now. If you don't want to go to your dashboard or to some of us that are not using laptop, right, so you can actually use your phone to make all this setting, to edit it, right, which is very, very lovely. So you see these tags. If you want to add tags to this, these are fixed tags, which I've showed you how to do these fixed tags in your YouTube setting. If you don't know, you can just let me know in the comment section that you want to know how to do these fixed tags. So I'm going to direct you on how to do that in the comment section. So all you need to do is just for you to add tags to this video. So after doing these changes and you post it, believe me when I say that, you're going to see how this particular video is going to pick up, because I've tried it on my videos and have seen results, as in videos will just pick up immediately after doing these changes. So if you know that you have videos that are just stuck in maybe 10 views, 13 views, and you feel after days, why is this video not performing very well, just go ahead and do these settings. Just go ahead and do it, and you're going to see results. So all you need to do after doing this setting, you click on save. If you didn't click on save, whatever you've done here did not change, so you click on save. So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so I to get to a whole lot of people. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.